Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, navigation system. Come take a test drive today.